In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to export inventory items and user settings from your Topcon X series console onto a USB thumb drive. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure your thumb drive is empty and formatted. From there, you want to go down to your inventory manager button and tap that, and we can make it full screen. Next step is we want to take our thumb drive and we want to insert it into the back of our console. And in a couple seconds, these buttons will light up here. So right now, our inventory manager is showing us all our products or all our vehicles that are being stored on the console right now. If we tap this button right here, it'll show us what's being stored for vehicles on our USB stick right now. So it says no entries because our USB stick is empty. So we'll go and show you later how it'll show up with items after we've backed it up. So if we tap that back, it'll show us back to our console. So to export items from the console to the USB stick, we want to tap this button right here. And it's going to give us two options to export. We can either export inventory items or user settings. So we're going to start off with inventory items, and it's asking us if we want to overwrite any copies, which we do. So we'll tap overwrite and give it a couple seconds and hit the check mark. And just for the fun of it, we will also export our user settings and check mark again. So it's done that. Now, before, when we tapped here, our USB didn't have any vehicles on there, but now that we backed it up, you can see that it has the Xerion 4500 that we had on our console. It has it on the USB stick as well now. So that's telling us that our backup is successful. So to eject, we just swipe up from the bottom and we tap the eject button, the check mark, and pull out our USB stick, and we have now successfully created our backup from the console. To import your data from the USB stick back onto the console again, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your inventory manager, and we'll make that full screen again. Take your USB stick now and plug it into the back of your console, and these will light up. Now, since we exported our data onto the USB stick, I took the liberty of going to a certain job and deleting the AB lines. So when we restore from backup, you'll be able to see those AB lines reappear. So just for your information, this button just exports diagnostic information, which hopefully you won't need to use, but that's what that button does. But to import data back onto the console, you want to tap this button here, and it's giving us the two options again of inventory items or user settings. We're going to do inventory items. Now it's saying that it's going to overwrite, but it's also going to power down the console once we restore these items. So it's going to do that right away. So you're going to have to look quickly to see those AB lines show up, but we're going to hit overwrite. And once this is done, we're going to hit the check mark. And now you can see those two AB lines are back, and now it's powering down. So that was just a quick video showing you how to import and export data from your Topcon X series console onto a USB stick and vice versa. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.